Hey guys, so let's transfer the items from this bag, which is Speedy 25 classic one, in monogram canvas, to my Coach Chelsea 30 in black and gold hardware. So I'm going to transfer everything from this bag to this bag, and then I'm going to show you what you can fit inside this bag. That will be easier, I think. So yeah, let me move them and I'll show you. Speedy is a very roomy bag. You can dump everything. In this Speedy, it's like never full, but smaller version of never full. This is totally empty. If you are wondering, this bag is 13 years old. I got this bag in 2013. Here is the interior, perfectly fine. I keep my bags clean when I take them out and bring them home. I always wipe them with a damp paper towel. Not like soggy, you have to squeeze the water out and then just wipe the dust away. Yeah, I keep my bags clean, and yeah, I take care of them. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so this is my Speedy 25 and I transferred all the items to my Chelsea 30. So here are the items. It's totally full. And let me show you what you can fit inside, and let me show you first if it closes or not. Yes, it closes and it looks like this now. And let me show you what you can fit inside. You have to press this button. There is a button. When I got this bag, I was trying to pull it, but then I realized that you have to press the button. So there is a button here. You have to press it to open, and then here are the items inside. So I have a what is it? Sanitizing hand wipes. Yeah, hand wipes sanitizer. And I have a packet of gum. I have two pads, one thin and one thick. I have my 6-ring key holder. I have my card holder, which is, I don't know the name, but this is from Chanel. All my cards are here. And this is a Calvi card holder. I have my cash here. I have a pair of reading glasses. I have a pair of sunglasses. This is by Gucci. I have, this is a hand lotion, Miss Dior, travel size. I have my phone. I don't know what phone is this. So this is iPhone 16 Pro. iPhone 16 Pro. I have lip gloss from Dior. I have again one more hand cream from Dior. This is Dior Le Balm, I think. Oops. This one. And I have a lipstick. No, this is not lipstick. What are these? These are kind of lip balms, but with some color. They color your lips according to your pH, I think, something like that. Yeah, this is not the same shade for every skin color or every person. This will look different in different skin with different pH. Yeah, something like that. I have one of these. I have many of these, but in the bag I have one of these. So that's it, guys. You can see it's empty now. I have to cut this tag. I haven't cut that yet. Yeah, so that is what you can fit inside this bag. So let me put everything because I'm going to carry it from today. And let me show show you again how it looks with all this stuff inside. Oh man, I carry a lot of stuff. In this bag you can't realize how much you are dumping inside, but with this you can feel the heaviness, because I think this is leather and this is canvas, so this is lightweight and this has some weight to it, so it feels heavy. And also you have to carry this on the shoulder, so you have to think about that as well, because it may hurt the shoulder. Yeah, it's definitely heavy. I have to take some stuff out. You can see I can feel the digging of the strap right here. So if you have shoulder problem, then you have to maybe think about that. Yeah, you can always carry less items, so that is up to you. Yeah guys, so that's it for this video. Bye.